Exotic spice blends, creating unique flavors from rare ingredients. Did you know that a single pinch of a rare spice can completely transform a dish? Imagine unlocking centuries-old secret flavors used by royalty. Let's explore exotic spice blends that will elevate your cooking game to a whole new level. Centuries ago, spice traders risked their lives for the rarest flavors. From the Silk Road to modern kitchens, these ingredients remain culinary gold. What if you could create your own signature blend using rare ingredients? 11 Essential Tips for Exotic Spice Blends. Start with a base. Every great blend begins with a strong foundation. Think coriander, cumin, or turmeric. Balance the heat. Add chili powders like Aleppo, Urfa, or Kashmiri for the perfect kick without overpowering. Enhance with aromatics. Cardamom, saffron, or fenugreek create complex, fragrant undertones. Experiment with sweet notes. A touch of cinnamon, star anise, or nutmeg can bring surprising depth. Introduce earthy flavors. Mushrooms, sumac, or dried lime add a rich, savory dimension. Layer with florals. Lavender, rose petals, or chamomile bring an unexpected twist to blends. Boost umami. Fermented black garlic, miso powder, or dried seaweed elevate flavors dramatically. Use freshly ground spices. Pre-ground spices lose potency. Grind them yourself for maximum impact. Roast for intensity. Toasting whole spices before blending deepens their natural oils and aroma. Master the art of pairing. Blend spices to match specific cuisines. Rasl Hanout for Moroccan, Berberi for Ethiopian, or Panchphoron for Indian. Store smartly. Keep blends in airtight containers away from heat and light for long-lasting potency. FAQs, answering common questions. Can I make spice blends without a grinder? Absolutely. Use a mortar and pestle or crush spices with a rolling pin. How long do spice blends last? Up to a year, but the fresher, the better. Are exotic spices expensive? Some are, but small quantities go a long way, making them a worthwhile investment. What's a simple blend for beginners? Start with equal parts cumin, coriander, and paprika, a versatile mix for many dishes. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always consult a nutritionist or chef before making significant dietary changes.